Alright, so somehow, I'm not certain how, I look out my window and these two girls are out. And they're having the time of their life. This is where all the crickets and stuff come. I just moved a pot away from there. So they got more bugs to go through. Now these guys over here are hella jelly. Because they don't know how to get out. I have not figured out how these two got out. And I'm like, they're just going to get out again if I put them back in because they are smart. These ones aren't so much. This weekend we're supposed to get the water fixed and finally have their fence up so they get to come out and do this. But they don't want to wait. These girls know. They're like, girls just want to have fun. We're going to go do it now. He's not happy. He is so not happy. They put all the food in their bowl on the ground and left it. So I've just fed them this morning, and it's not been a couple of hours. So, how to get these ones back in without those ones getting out. These ones are going to teach those ones eventually, maybe. What you doing, babies? I gotta go back in. Right. I'm just gonna let them keep on for a little bit. This was not my plan. Oh, Bunny just took down the curtain. I was about to go do the bunny box, and then I saw these two were loose. Change of plans, man. Change of plans. Okay. Where'd you get that from? Did you like stick to the dirt and bugs and not pull out trash? I was like, I'll just have this hen scratch here. I'll bring you some greens, baby girl. I planned on giving you a watermelon today. Yeah, watermelon, you love it. I swear. Yeah, dig that dirt up for me real good. Yeah. This is why I gotta get the coops done better. Click, click, click. What's a click? Those 4 little pots are where I'm trying to grow some mango trees. Get them started like the one in the back patio did. But they're not having it so much so far. I'm having sprouts come out of things that I know I didn't plant anything in, so now it's making me double guess the sprouts that had happened in the ones I planted, and I was so excited about. I'm like, what if this is just a weed instead of what I wanted? Yeah. Craziness. They're like happy as can be right now. Buffy is betrayed. What's so exciting over there? Okay. Let's go see if we see anything over there. But yeah, I have not found. Whoa. You guys want to go inside? I don't know what's scaring them. Alright. Apparently there's something, but I don't know what. What is it, babies? Alright, let me see if I can get them inside then. This is an interesting day. I'll try again later. Part 1 out. Peace.